I think we should not force her. Maybe she is not feeling well.
Would you like to go home and see for some drinking?
Yes, that will be good. Bye. I will see you tomorrow.
Friends, why does Betty get tired so not play with us?
I think she doesn't eat healthy food and so she does not have any energy.
I think I should visit her home and see what she eats. Maybe I tell her to eat healthy food. Broccoli, bell pepper and corn is my favorite food.
That is a good idea. Please tell us what happens tomorrow.
Can I get something to eat from the fridge? Only milk and bread. Why doesn't your mom get more food from the store?
Because we don't have money, we can eat some bread if you like.
How about some milk?
I am saving for my little brother. Milk is the only thing he has.
Okay, I will go home and eat. Bye, see you soon. Friends, I feel really sad for Katie. She doesn't get the food to eat, and that's why she gets tired so fast. I really want her to get good food to eat and play with all of us and enjoy. I really think we should all help Pretty.
Yes, I will help her.
But what can we all do? I so want to help her, but I don't have any money to buy food for her.
Won't we all give her food from our own? That's a nice idea. I can get some more food in my tiffin when we are in school.
I can tell my mama to give extra sandwich for evening snack for her.
Take turn working food for her every day. Yes, so I will bring her food to improve.
I will bring food for her day after tomorrow.
Next is my turn. It is so much fun to be able to hop, to jump and run around with all of you while playing.
We love to run with us, Titi.
We are happy to see you and full of energy. And my tummy is also full because all of you help me every day. Thank you so much, my friend. You are welcome, Preeti.
Because you are our best friend and we love you.
Titi, it's raining. Let us play. I really wonder how much more people don't have the money to get good food to eat. I feel so sorry and so happy because I cannot get all the uneducated and are all alone.
There are so many Preeti in this world. Will you help them? Will you help them?